Hey guys, what's up? Jigging with Danny here, bringing you another awesome video. Today I got a brand new video coming out. I actually accidentally deleted my YouTube channel. I was trying to update the information and hit the delete button by accident. So I've got a brand new channel, same name, new videos coming to it. Just search it, and the video will pop up, and subscribe. I've got underwater footage for y'all today with new camera angles. I've been using the GoPro head mount. It was good, but I had to keep my head still, and I didn't like it, couldn't look around. So I went this weekend and bought the GoPro chest mount, chesty. I was fishing with ZD Bassin once again. I'm fishing with him every weekend, all the time, and one of his friends. The weather was warm enough today, this past weekend on the lake, that we was actually able to get out on the lake on our kayak and do some fishing. We didn't catch nothing, but there was a school of crappie and we got some bites. Just couldn't hook into them. They're really finicky to catch. Not one of my specialty fishes to catch. We didn't catch nothing out on the water, but later on in the day, we went to the docks and started fishing around the docks and actually caught a catfish. And that's what y'all are going to see, along with some underwater footage. I'm going to leave a link in the description to ZD Bassin's YouTube channel. He's not uploaded yet, but he did get a GoPro this past weekend for his birthday, so he's going to be uploading soon once I teach him how to learn to do the editing software and all that. It's totally new to him, so go to check his channel out, subscribe and leave a like, because we're all the time fishing together. Either on the lake, the river, ponds, creek, something. We're always fishing. Now this next weekend we hope to be doing some more kayak fishing. It's supposed to be 74 I think Saturday and 70 Sunday, so we've got a good warm streak coming up. The bass are actually getting into pre-spawn mode, so they're coming in shallow and they're starting to get a little more active because the water's warming up. So hopefully we'll be bringing you some good bass fishing videos. So I hope y'all like the video. Remember to leave a like. They're yonder. Huh? You gotta go to the app. You hit the, is it connected? You hit the thing that's got all the grid thing on it, not the camera but the other one. Yeah. You're fine.
Alright, I'm about to go to break, y'all.
Last cast. Yeah.
The cars, they have this one spot they look funny in. So you can drop it perfectly in that spot.
Yeah.
You'll get $9 for it.
So you're gonna take catch one?
Yeah, basically.
I don't know the shape anyways.
Good.
Not much. That's somebody's fishing pole. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Uh-uh. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Cat. Somebody come get this other pole out the water. Oh gosh.
Let me see it. That thing's in here. It's like the same one. That was big one. You can turn it on.
Yeah.
Oh,